അങ്ങനെ ഒരു പാട്ട് ഒരു ലൈൻ ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും വേണ്ടി ഒരു పాట పాడియాలి
సార్. ఆయన మంచి సింగర్ కూడాను. ఒక్క పాట పాడితే మన కోసం అంటే అదే మలయాళంలో
జస్ట్ అదే మలయాళంలో అడిగాను సార్ నేను.
సింగ్ ఏ సాంగ్.
Okay, I will sing Malayalam song.
Yes, please.
നങ്ങിലിപ്പൂവേ കുന്നോളം ദൂരെ ഒന്നായി പോവണ്ടേ, ചങ്ങാതിവാവേ നിന്നോടു കൂടെ കണ്ണായി ഞാനില്ലേ, ചെറുനാട്ടുപാതകളിൽ കനവിൻ്റെ മാമലയിൽ തളരാതെ നീ ചുവടേറവേ തണലായി ഞാനരികെ. നങ്ങിലിപ്പൂവേ കുന്നോളം ദൂരെ ഒന്നായി പോവണ്ടേ, ചങ്ങാതിവാവേ നിന്നോടു കൂടെ കണ്ണായി ഞാനില്ലേ.
Thank you.
Thank you. That was so melodious, so soothing.
Thanks a lot.
I wish to see you more in Telugu films and
Sure.
already Geeta Arts to association start అయిపోయింది కాబట్టి ఇంకా అది ఆగదు. You will be doing more and more films. Thank you so much.
Thank
And
you so
hearty
much.
congratulations
Thank
to you.
you.
Thank you.
Santosham, santosham.